sitting here at the library and I'm looking at you. Do you want to see you? There you are. See? I love you. That was my finger. I see it again. Here's Bob. Well, I think I'm gonna go watch Charlie bit my finger. So, bye.